Initial setup of your Xiaomi phone. First, choose a language. Then enter a region. You'll now be asked to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network. Do so if possible, it's very useful for updates. Otherwise, skip this step. Check the privacy policy, continue, and wait for updates to appear. Choose whether to transfer apps, photos, and contacts from another phone, otherwise, skip this step by clicking here. Now, if you have one, sign in with a Google account. Continue with the setup by accepting or declining the voice assistant. Here, you can configure other settings such as email, font, wallpapers, or add more apps. Sign in again with your Google account and set a fingerprint password and screen lock. Check or uncheck these settings as you wish. Now, choose your launcher and a theme. Once you've done this, the setup is complete and your phone is ready to use.